Mailman came, dropped off a nice large box at work.
Mail time. Mail time. Mail time.
The mail's here. Come on. Bye, guys. Here's the mail. It never fails. It makes me want to wag my tail. When it comes, I want to wail.
Weight to it. Look at that. So yeah, went and ordered a Cusco front sway bar. I did notice a bit on track, it does sort of dive a bit into one in the corners a bit. So I thought I'd try stiffen up the front a bit with a sway bar. Still just only got the standard one in there, so should be interesting what it does. Bushes, Japanese writing, straight out of Japan really. So yeah, I believe they're fatter than factory and stiffer, so I think they say 150% stiffer or something. So it should be noticeable. Should help it handle a bit. So yeah, I've got standard-ish suspension in the car. I've got super lows in the front and KYB shocks, so I don't have any adjusties or anything, which a lot of people, when they do adjusties, they don't need to do sway bars because the front's quite stiff as it is with those adjusties in there. But I want a bit of comfort for the road, and I didn't want to go down the route of adjusties, so I went just for standard springs and shocks. So in theory, this should help get that sort of stiffness back a bit, I suppose, in the front. It's pretty stiff as it is. It just stops that roll a bit in the front, so hopefully it will do the trick. Here you can see the size difference of the Cusco next to the factory item. There's quite a big step up in size. Already way weightier. But yeah, pretty cool item. To get it out was a bit of a mission. Taking half the subframe basically out. So whatever they're called that sit in here, they hold your caster arms. Took them out. I've already got non-urethane links, but I've just felt those are kind of squishy. But the kit comes with new ones, and they're pretty solid, so I think I'll use those. New bushes as well for the main part. But yeah, whole instructions all in Japanese. Photos on how to do it, which is not hard. But yeah, the real McCoy, branded up Japanese writing. So yeah, should be pretty cool. Interesting. It's all in there, everything's tight, everything's ready to go. Went in pretty easy. As long as these were removed on the other side, that helped heaps, and the end links. Not too sure how far down the end link should be, but I'll just try it and have a play with it and see what happens really. So I can already notice that a little bit down the drive, just over these bumps and stuff, that the whole front just goes down flatter than what it did before. Turn in feels sharper.